Hello people! In this channel we have already showed you how to connect your computer to your projector using a VGA cable for the image signal and an audio cable for the audio signal. Now I'm removing those cables and I'm going to connect it with an HDMI cable. Same idea, you have to connect it to the computer HDMI port on one end and to the projector port on the other end. OK, after connecting the cables, click on the button Source, since the projector can have been previously connected to the VGA port. If your projector has an internal speaker, you won't need an audio cable, since the HDMI also carries audio signal. If not, connect an external speaker to your projector pin marked as Audio Out, or directly to your computer Audio Out pin. If you still don't see the signal after clicking on the button Source, probably you will have to follow the last step I'll show you. Go to your computer desktop, right button, and select Screen Resolution. Then, click on Project to a second screen and select the option Duplicate. I hope you enjoy it!